95% will fail this rare British classic car quiz. Do you think you can beat the odds? Test your knowledge with this tricky quiz of the British classic sports cars of the 1980s. For each car shown, see if you can name it before the multiple choice options appear. Score 5 points for each correct answer without hints, and 2 points if you need the options but still guess it right. Can you guess them all? Round 1. A 1976 Lotus Esprit S1, B 1981 Lotus Esprit S3, C 1977 Lotus Esprit S2, or D 1980 Lotus Esprit Turbo. The correct answer is D 1980 Lotus Esprit Turbo. The Lotus Esprit Turbo, introduced in 1980, was a game-changing high-performance version of the iconic Esprit, designed to compete with Ferrari, Porsche, and Aston Martin. Nigel Mansell, Formula One champion, owned an Esprit Turbo, appreciating its connection to Lotus's F1 racing pedigree. Prince Charles was gifted a Lotus Esprit Turbo, cementing its status as a British luxury sports car fit for royalty. Round 2. A. 1987 Ford Capri 2.8 injection, B. 1987 Ford Capri 1.6 Laser, C. 1987 Ford Capri 280, or D. 1987 Ford Capri 2.0S. The right answer is C. 1987 Ford Capri 280. The Ford Capri 280, launched in 1987, was the last and most powerful version of the Capri before production ended. The Capri was often referred to as the European Mustang, offering a stylish, affordable and sporty coupe experience for British and European drivers. The 0 to 60 mph time of 7.8 seconds made it quicker than a Porsche 924 of the same era. Only 1,038 units were produced, making it one of the rarest and most desirable Capris ever built. Round 3. A. 1989 Aston Martin V8 Vantage, B. 1989 Aston Martin Virage, C. 1989 Aston Martin Lagonda, or D. 1989 Aston Martin DB7. The right one is B. 1989 Aston Martin Virage. Did you know that the front headlights were taken from the Audi 200, a rare example of Aston Martin borrowing components from another marque? Prince Charles was gifted an Aston Martin Virage Volante convertible version in 1994, making it one of the most famous Virages in the world. Also, Rowan Atkinson was seen driving an Aston Martin Virage during the 1990s. If you like this quiz, consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss the next fun quiz. Round 4. A. 1982 Bristol Brigand, B. 1977 Bristol 603, C. 1975 Bristol 412, or D. 1976 Bristol 411. The correct one is A. 1982 Bristol Brigand. Unlike Jaguar, Aston Martin or Bentley, Bristol cars were built for those who don't need to show off, making them a favourite among discreet millionaires and British nobility. Bristols were often owned by high-ranking officials and titled individuals. For instance, Sir Richard Branson, the Virgin founder, was a known admirer of Bristol cars and was reported to own one. Round 5. A. 1982 MG Metro non-turbo, B. 1984 MG Montego, C. 1971 MG 1300, or D. 1983 MG Metro Turbo. If you picked D. 1983 MG Metro Turbo, you are right. Lady Diana, Princess of Wales, famously owned an Austin Metro, though not the turbo version. The MG Metro Turbo was Britain's answer to the French hot hatch wave, aiming to beat the Renault 5 Turbo, Peugeot 205 GTI, and the German Golf GTI. Round 6. A. 1988 Middlebridge Scimitar GTE, B. 1980 Middlebridge Scimitar GTC, C. 1976 Reliant Scimitar GTE SE6, or D. 1968 Reliant Scimitar GTE SE5. The correct answer is A. 1988, Middlebridge Scimitar GTE. King Charles III, formerly Prince Charles, was also seen driving a scimitar in his younger years. Princess Anne still owns a scimitar, making it one of the few classic British cars still in royal use today. The Middlebridge Scimitar, due to its low production numbers and high quality, was favoured by wealthy car enthusiasts looking for a unique British Grand Tourer. Round 7. A. 1972, Triumph Dolomite 1850 HL. B. 1970 Triumph Toledo. C. 1971 Triumph Herald 1360. Or D. 1980 Triumph Dolomite Sprint. The right one is D. 1980 Triumph Dolomite Sprint. Princess Anne was a known Triumph enthusiast, though she was more associated with the Triumph 2500 PY rather than the Dolomite Sprint. The Dolomite Sprint was marketed as Britain's answer to the BMW 2002 and early BMW 3 Series, offering similar performance at a fraction of the price. Round 8. A. 1975 Reliant Scimitar GTE. B. 1984 Reliant Scimitar SS1. C. 1980 Reliant Scimitar GTC. Or D. 1987 Reliant Scimitar SST. The correct answer is B. 1984 Reliant Scimitar SS1. While the Scimitar GTE was famously driven by Princess Anne, the SS1 never received the same royal attention. The Scimitar SS1 was one of the final cars designed by legendary Italian designer Giovanni Michelotti, who also designed classics like the Triumph Spitfire and BMW 2002. The SS1 was intended to be a competitor to the Japanese roadsters like the Mazda MX-5, but its styling and quality issues meant it never reached the same popularity. Round 9. A. 1987 TVR 420 SEAC. B. 1985 TVR 390 SE. C. 1988 TVR 450 SEAC. Or D. 1986 TVR 350i. The right answer is C. 1988 TVR 450 SEAC. Unlike more mainstream British sports cars like the Jaguar E-Type or Aston Martin, TVRs were often owned by hardcore driving enthusiasts rather than celebrities. With 324 brake horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.5 seconds, the 450S EAC could outrun a Ferrari Testarossa or a Porsche 911 Turbo of the same era. Round 10. A. 1982 Bentley Mulsanne Turbo. B. 1985 Bentley Turbo. R. C. 1988 Bentley 8. Or D. 1984 Bentley Mulsanne. The answer is B. 1985 Bentley Turbo R. Queen Elizabeth II's personal Bentley fleet included multiple Turbo R models used for official and private duties. Also, King Charles III, formerly Prince Charles, Elton John, former boxing champion Mike Tyson, and fashion icon Karl Lagerfeld were known fans and owners of a Turbo R. Round 11. A. 1986 Lotus XL. B. 1987 Lotus Esprit Turbo. C. 1989 Lotus Elan M100. Or D. 1974 Lotus Elite Type 75. The correct one is C. 1989 Lotus Elan M100. Round 12. A. 1983 MG Maestro 1600. B. 1984 MG Maestro EFIC 1987 MG Montego Turbo. Or D. 1969 MG Maestro Turbo. The right one is D. 1989 MG Maestro Turbo. Round 13. A. 1984 Vauxhall Astra Mark II 1.6i, B. 1985. Vauxhall Astra Mark II 1.8i, C. 1987. Vauxhall Astra Mark II 1.3L, or D. 1988 Vauxhall Astra Mark II GTE. The correct one is D. 1988 Vauxhall Astra Mark II GTE. Round 14. A. 1981 TVR 280i, B. 1980 TVR Tasman, C. 1982 TVR 200, or D. 1983 TVR 350i. If you picked B. 1980 TVR Tasman, you are right. Round 15. A. 1986 Ford RS 200 Evolution, B. 1984 Ford RS 200, C. 1975 Ford Sierra RS Cosworth, or D. 1986 Ford Escort RS Turbo. The right one is B. 1984 Ford RS 200. Round 16. A. 1981 Triumph TR8, B. 1980 Triumph TR7, C. 1979 Triumph Spitfire 1500, or D. 1968 Triumph Stag. The correct one is A. 1981 Triumph TR8. Round 17. A. 1986 Lotus Esprit Turbo, B. 1987 Lotus Esprit X 180, C. 1988 Lotus Esprit Turbo SE, or D. 1984 Lotus Esprit S3. The correct answer is B. 1987 Lotus Esprit X 180. Round 18. A. 1986 Ford Sierra RS Cosworth, B. 1984 Ford Sierra XR4i, C. 1985 Ford Sierra, or D. 1983 TVR Ford Sierra. The right answer is C. 1985 Ford Sierra. Round 19. A. 1980 Talbot Sunbeam Type, B. 1981 Talbot Sunbeam Lotus, C. 1979 Talbot Sunbeam 1.6 GLS, or D. 1982 Talbot Horizon. The correct answer is B. 1981 Talbot Sunbeam Lotus. Round 20. A. 1989 Panther Solo, B. 1988 Panther Solo Prototype, C. 1983 Panther Callista, or D. 1979 Panther Lima. The right one is A. 1989 Panther Solo. Round 21. A. 1987 Jaguar XJ-SC, B. 1985 Jaguar XJ-SV12, C. 1983 Jaguar XJ6 Series 3, or D. 1989 Jaguar XJ-S. The correct one is D. 1989 Jaguar XJ-S. Round 22. A. 1980 AC300 MEB 1984, AC300 MEC 1982 AC300 ME or D. 1986 AC300 ME? The right answer is B. 1984 AC300 ME. Round 23. A. 1982 Bristol 412, B. 1977 Bristol 412, C. 1980 Bristol 412 S2 or D. 1982 Bristol Beaufighter. The right one is A. 1982 Bristol 412. Round 24. A. 1979 MGB, B. 1978 MGB GT, C. 1976 MGB or D. 1980 MGB. The correct one is D. 1980 MGB. Round 25, final round. A. 1980 Ford Escort Mark III, B. 1982 Ford Escort XR3C 1981 Ford Escort X3 or D. 1979 Ford Escort Mark II. If you picked C, 1981 Ford Escort X3, then you are right. Did you guess them all? Share your score in the comments below. Click here if you think you can ace a more challenging sports car quiz of the 1960s or 1970s. And don't forget to hit the bell notification if you don't want to miss the next classic car quiz.